it has been a very rainy and dreary week, but that's okay. We are going to be taking some time today and refreshing the house, making it feel a little more put together and clean, because we have been in and out constantly this week and my floors need cleaned. Everything just needs picked up and tidied. I need to put laundry away and do all of the basic house chores, but I wanted to take you guys along with me, and also I wanted to share some fun like fall things that I've been picking up lately, whether that be snacks or home decor and just a little bit of everything in between. So it's just going to be just a very chill video, very vlog style, and I am excited about it. So I have 2 hours. I already set an alarm on my phone. My mother-in-law has the boys for 2 hours, so I have 2 hours to get this whole house picked up and ready to go. We have church tonight, so it's Wednesday when I'm filming this, and we started Awanas back up, so that is this evening. So I'm trying to get all the things done before we do that at 5:30. So anyway, I wanted to point out one of the cozy things that I have for fall. This is nothing spectacular as far as like fancy, but this is one of the coziest sweatshirts. I love it so much. This is one of those like Walmart viral sweatshirts. They're like $12, and they have it this year in a brown color, and I love it. So anyways, I did size up just for an oversized cozy fit. This is what I do whenever I am home and I'm cleaning or just relaxing. I am just dressed down and just very comfortable. So that's what it is today. But anyways, before we get cleaning, I do want to try a new drink that I found. So let's head into the kitchen and I'm going to show you a few things I've picked up. Okay, one of the things I specifically bought for today, because I really wanted to try it and my Target had one, is the crisp apple Olipop. This is going to be pick me up for me this afternoon, and I know they had the apple flavored last year, but I never tried it. It was always out of stock. So anyway, I picked up one of these today at Target, and it was on sale for like $2. They also had one at Aldi. It was the Aldi brand, but it was like spiced apple cider or something like that. And I put one of those in my Aldi cart today because I did a grocery pickup earlier and they were out of stock. So anyway, I figured I was going to try to compare the two, but we're going to crack this open and we're going to see what it tastes like. I'm so excited. I've heard that they're really good. It smells really good. That is delicious. Highly recommend. So this is the Olipop crisp apple, super good. I also picked up a couple other little fall treats. The boys had these last year and they love them. They're these little jack-o'-lantern cookies. They're basically like Oreos. So this is what they look like up close. They're super cute, and I want to say they were like $4 a box, but again, I think they were on sale for like $3 something. So anyway, there's actually a lot of cookies in here too. It doesn't say the amount, but they're really cute. They're backed by all the little like Halloween candy and stuff. Last but not least, as far as treats go, I have had my eye on these maple French toast bagels. They just sound so good. And Aldi used to have another flavor of these. It was very similar, but in a different packaging, and they just smell amazing. And I bought the pumpkin spice cream cheese to go with them, so I'll keep you updated on that. But those are the little fall snacks that I wanted to try out, and some of my favorite things I'm going to show you guys are some new home items. I have some candles, a new wreath that we're actually going to unbox together. It was just on my step, and a few other little random odds and ends. So let's go ahead and take a peek at those two. Okay, first things first, my mom went to Target the other day and she found some coffee mugs in the dollar spot, and they came in a pack. It's the little pumpkin mugs. They're so cute. So there's the white one, and it has like all the detail on there, and then there was an orange one as well. So these came in a 2-pack for, I believe it was $5. So not bad at all. These are super cute. The pumpkin mugs are super popular. And anyway, I think these are really cute. All right, last weekend, Mom and I went to a fall market here in town, and afterwards we went to a local like home store. It's very small, but they have a lot of like homemade products and wreaths and florals and just different things like that. And everyone I know that has went in there has raved about their homemade mop soap, and I knew I really wanted to try some. So mop soap, it is highly concentrated. You just mix it in with your hot water for whenever you're getting ready to mop. And I picked up the sweet cider scent, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna find out if they ship, because if they do, I highly recommend this stuff. They had tons of different scents. They also had vanilla pumpkin and I don't know, just a lot of different ones. They had like 5 or 6 different scents, but I went with the sweet cider. It smells so good. It's like a very like kind of spicy scent. I don't know, really clean too, but just so warm and cozy. You just add a 1/4 cup to a gallon of water, and I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. I absolutely love it. So that's a new item. Also at the market, I knew I wanted to buy a new candle. If you guys follow my friend Kaylin Cash, she raves about these candles, and every time I go to her house, they smell so good, but I've never personally bought one. So the lady who sells them was set up at the market, and I decided to pick one up for myself, and these smell amazing. Like, they burn so well. So I ended up going with caramel apple scent, and it is so fresh and just so clean smelling. So I cannot wait to get this house clean today and burn this. It is so cute. I know Kaylin burns her candles all the time, and this is the first one I've ever purchased. So I'm very excited about this one. Okay, now last but not least, I have been wanting to get a new wreath for my front door because I am wanting to just spruce it up for fall. I haven't done that yet, so, and I don't have any pumpkins yet or anything. I do have one mum, but it's on my side door, and I have a wreath there, but I wanted to get a new wreath for my front door. So I ordered this one yesterday off of Amazon. It was $25, and this is so pretty. I am so happy about this. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful, and you can fluff it out really easily. Look at these colors. This is stunning. Look at this up close. I love the colors in it. There's lots of oranges and reds and yellows. There's some like eucalyptus in there, little berries. I think this is so nice. So anyway, definitely pleased with this purchase. Cannot wait to hang it on the front door. Okay, this candle right here, this warm cider and cinnamon, is super good as well. This one's actually from Target, and I can have it linked down below too, but this really complements that sweet cider soap, mop soap that I was showing you guys. Smells fantastic. Okay, here's the warm cider and cinnamon. I'll have it linked down below. Like I said, it's from Target, and it's $12 for this size. But everything has been dusted off in the living room so far. I always save my floors for last just because it makes the most sense to me. When I'm dusting everything and everything just gets swept on the floor, I will vacuum and mop last. But anyway, so far the living room is feeling much better. she asked to borrow a ton of my brass candlesticks for decor, and I'm just not putting them away. I have them in my hutch, and then I have a little drawer in my buffet where I keep all of my extra candles and candlesticks and things. So anyway, I need to put all of these away today because they've just been sitting in this Aldi bag for about a week now, and it's time to put them up. But these are so pretty. If you are ever looking for anything at a thrift store or an antique store, I highly recommend looking for brass items. Okay, this is my candle drawer. I cleared this thing out probably like 2 or 3 months ago. I decluttered so many. Like, this was filled to the brim, and now I just have staple candlesticks. So I have a ton of brass ones. I have some like wrought iron ones, some thrifted. There's a couple like new ones from Amazon, but most of them are thrifted or antiqued. Love these. So anyway, it's my little stash. If you're ever wondering what's in here, I have table linens and like place setting things and candles. If you're ever wondering what our linen closet looks like, normally I have towels in these baskets. I thrifted those years ago. Same with these. I keep washcloths in here. Clearly, as you can see, none of them have made their way into here yet. They're all clean. But anyway, and then I have another thrifted basket with paper towels. This is my toilet bowl cleaners, which I'm out of. I need to get more of those. And then I normally keep toilet paper down in this big basket here. So it's pretty basic. At the top, I keep our clippers, so I do cut the boys' hair, so that's there. And that's just extra like shower liners, so nothing major. But anyway, it's pretty basic, but I like to keep it tidy. And then you guys have seen the hallway. Anyway, I have our pictures, our little candle sconces, the rug from Quince. It's just so pretty. I love this thing. And then my little thrifted table there at the end with my candles, pumpkins. And I do want to get a larger mirror. This one is obviously way too small, but it looked really cluttered when I had the wall art and the mirror. So anyway, for now, this is what we're working with. But here's a little fall decor inspo for you. I have my antique pitcher with some wheat, and then a basket with faux pumpkins, and then this candle is on a timer, so in the evening it is on. But anyways, if you guys haven't seen my decorate with me in my dining room, check it out. Beds aren't made yet, so that's next on the to-do list. But I do want to show you guys this bathroom. So it needs a lot of love. This is one of my projects that I really want to tackle like after the holidays and things. I've only purchased one thing for it, and it's the shower curtain. I actually got this the other day. There is a liquidation store in my hometown now. It's amazing. The other day, me and Mom went in there, and they had all new items from Target and Wayfair, which was incredible. So this is actually a threshold shower curtain. I just got brand new the other day. And this is the boys' bathroom. As you can see, we have lots of kids' towels, and I'm just wanting to make it look a little more complete. It needs refreshed for the paint so bad. And then we also had a hook come off the wall, so we got to fix that. But other than that, there's not a whole lot. I mean, that's my decor. Other than that, there's nothing. So I need to clean this. I'd like to get new lights and stuff in here and a new mirror, but this is what it's looking like right now. I did decorate very slightly in here for fall. Basically just switched out bedding, but I added a brown plaid blanket at the end of my bed. This is from Amazon. They are so inexpensive. When these are on sale, they're like $12, and these are super nice. I have it in black also. But anyway, I added that to the bottom. Also, we are still loving our Quince bedding. This stuff is so nice. It's kind of weighted, but it's still lightweight at the same time. I don't even know how to explain it, but the material is amazing. So anyways, wanted to mention that. But as far as the little fall touches, I mainly just switched out, like I said, linens and textiles to just kind of warm it up a bit. So this is a lumbar pillow that I thrifted. The one in the middle here is a pillow cover from Amazon, and so are those chocolate brown pillow covers. Those are like a linen color, or a linen material, I mean. So I can have both of those linked down below in my Amazon storefront. The picture above our bed, we've had this here for like a couple of years now. Love it. It's from Hobby Lobby. I believe they still have it in store. If they do, I'll link it down below for you guys. And then the only other little fall touch is this vase. I've had this for a long time too. It just has some Hobby Lobby stems in it. But anyway, we keep it pretty simple around here. And then the rest of our room, again, we have a really simple setup. So our dresser, the only thing I did over here was switched out like some brighter green stems for these little wheat stems from Walmart. I can have those linked down below as well. They come in a pack of 3 for like $5. They're really inexpensive, but I like them a lot. And my mirror is still the same. Our pictures are pretty much the same. I have a basket full of extra blankets. And then I have one of those, oh, down here is the little gift bag that the boys got John for his birthday. His birthday was a couple weeks ago, but I have the rest of my vanilla pumpkin candle burning in here from Target. These are like the smaller ones. They come in a 2-pack with the warm cider and cinnamon, and they're $12 for the 2-pack, but I love this one. It smells amazing as well. Well, alright guys, that is it for today's video. My alarm just went off on my phone. I did everything besides mop my floors, so we'll save that for another time. But I'm getting ready to go outside and hang up my wreath and put my new little pillow on my rocking chair. So stay tuned. I will be sharing just some fall porch inspo and some upcoming videos. But I do have a really fun video coming next week. It is a fun collaboration for a fall home tour. So be on the lookout for that video. That will be next Thursday. I'm really excited about that one. But if this is your first time here on my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. That way you're notified when I post. And if you like these vlog style types of videos, give this video a thumbs up as well. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.